afternoon, everyone. Just on my way to Hawkins machine shop. Wanted to bring you along for the ride. Hope you can hear me. Bike's four-stroking quite a bit. I need to adjust the physical timing. I took some of the material off of the top of the cylinder. I decked it, so trying to increase the compression a little bit. I don't know if I've had any luck, but it seems that I've got to advance the timing a little bit. So I'll be doing that later today, but I'm going to drop off a crank and try to get it worked on. I'm kind of going slower too is I hit a screw the other morning just before Memorial Day there, and went to take the tire apart to put another tube in and had some problems with the axle. So if I had any sense at all, I probably wouldn't be running this setup right now, but this is my only transportation at the time, so just gonna keep trusting God gets me there. Here we are at Hawkins machine. See if I can track Dave down, find out what's going on. Yeah, I'll show you guys what I've got on here right now. So the outside threads on this gave way when I took this apart the other day, and I just ended up putting a couple of these locks on that you usually have on the inside to keep the cone and cup from moving. So far so good. Trying to find Dave if he's around.
Dave's around there somewhere.
All right.
Lunch is right there. Lunch is right away.
Oh no! How you guys doing? Have a good holiday?
Yep, we had a good time.
Yeah, I heard you lost someone. I'm sorry.
Indian. Yeah, we lost an Indian. Yeah. Passed away in the bathroom. We had to pry open the door and get him out.
Oh, I'm terribly sorry, man. Wow.
So you want to go back in there and do a pick on that?
Yeah, man.
Hey, it happens. You never know when you're gonna go.
Yeah, no, that's true. It's true, man.
Yep.
It's a hard time. I did tell people Happy Memorial Day. It's like, how you can say Happy Memorial Day is a conundrum anyway, right?
Yeah.
Celebrating a bunch of dead.
Yeah.
Good Lord. There he is.
Hey, how you doing?
Not bad. Good to see you, Dave.
What the fuck vehicle's that?
Not sure. Sorry I lost contact with you. I had to reset my phone. I was having problems. I had this GoPro linked up to it, ride to make sure no one hit me, and it did something to the phone. So, but
What's up? You got a camera on you?
yeah, she bought this for me, so when I'm riding, I can record. That way, if somebody hits me or something. But
What's happening?
no, if you got just a minute, I brought a couple cranks over here. I'm not even worried about that bike thing.
Yeah, that actual thing
Didn't end up working out.
you have to redesign the whole thing.
Yeah,
It's not even working.
no worries. What I wanted to do, Dave, if you can help me, I brought a couple of these along. This one's actually brand new, but you can see, maybe it's this. See this side, how they, like, it looks like it should line up, but this is like kind of way off. I got another one so you can see what I'm talking about, like the balancing holes on the crank, or like.
Did you press these together?
No, I didn't.
Somebody else did it?
Yeah, that came right from the factory, like that, believe it or not.
I'd have to check it to see if they both. If you put this in the truck, this should run through on this side.
Yeah.
If it doesn't, then they didn't put it together right.
Right? Now, I'm assuming that's not the problem, because it looks like this is true in play as far as the wheels themselves. But,
why would they do something?
I don't know. They're
These
freaking...
holes are made to line this up. Some of them, they really hacked the shit out of it.
Yeah, I had started to try to drill a hole. That was me.
It's not them holes are for lining up. You're supposed to have a pin the right size and put the pin through both of these. When you press it together, they go in line. That's the idea behind
That one there, yeah. I think, but this one I've had in a motor and I've run it. So I brought this along just so you could see the difference in what I was trying to show you, like how those are true.
Those are, yeah. I have to check to see if these are in line.
The problem I have maybe that I'm encountering here that I'm worried about is I got just the tiniest little bit of a stress line pinhole right there. I don't know if you can see that. It's probably just from when they laid that out. It was just some slag that didn't get cleaned out of the steel or something.
This here?
Yeah, no, up on the arm of the side of the journal itself. There's just a tiny little
step.
Yeah, I don't know. It's probably nothing, but I had started just making some little pilot holes here. What I want to do is, if you come out here 10 millimeters off of this edge, it should be centered. So I need to get two more here and this one here. I want to go with a 12 millimeter drill bit, and I want to go in 13 millimeters deep on each one.
Well, why are you doing that?
To balance this. I've already had a friend help me get it weighed out, took it all apart on a video, so channel I watch here. But yeah, so what it would have to be, you know, like I said, on both sides there, and this one in the middle.
They have to be both in the middle, right? In the middle of this?
Yeah, in the middle of that. I don't remember what that is exactly. I want to say it's maybe like 8 millimeters or something. Whatever the hell it is. I know you guys use your thousandths and stuff like that there. But if you're willing to do either one of those for me, it would really help me out a lot.
Can you draw, can you make a blueprint? Draw a picture of this?
Yeah,
And
let me actually...
from here to here, and from here to here. And, I mean, you don't want to go that way, do you?
Yeah, so 10 millimeters off the side would be the center point. Off of those outside edges.
10 millimeters?
Yep. Let me see here if I can give you if I can find a picture just to eyeball it, but I could draw it. It's basically just, yeah, so those holes are kind of spaced evenly from each other. So
we got circle. That's it.
Yep.
That's the center line. That's one,
two,
two,
yep. And then you're gonna want to go Off the edge, out.
Off the edge, out 10 millimeters.
10 millimeter, yep. And that'll be your center point. And we're going to use a 12 millimeter bit and go in 13 millimeters.
12 millimeter drill.
Yep. If it's rounded out, if it's you know.
And how deep?
13.
13.
Yeah. That should give me.
13 millimeters deep.
Yep. That should give me a rough figure of where I need to be. If it's a little over or less.
One.
Correct. 6 at all.
Two,
I mean.
3 and 1 piece.
Yes.
Yeah. So 12 millimeter drill, 13 millimeters deep.
Yep.
On center here, and then 10 millimeters.
To be on center with the with those. So
it's going from the edge of the hole, not the center of the hole.
Correct.
10 millimeters.
Yep. The outside diameter there.
To the center of the hole.
Correct.
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah.
I'll check this right too.
All right. I'll take this one back out of here then, or.
You want to work on both of them, or just do one right now?
I'm just cash poor right now, Dave. You know what I mean?
No,
I've been out of work for a month with this double hernia surgery, so. And then the freaking insurance company, the claims
just one
adjuster.
Side, just one side or both sides?
Both sides.
Both
yeah.
sides.
Yep. I mean, if you're willing to do both of them, as long as you got it set up, I just. I probably won't. This one and nothing else. If you wanted to do just the one in the center, kind of wanted. That one's going in the motor, and I want to have that balanced that way. But this one, if you were just to do the one in the center,
just on one side?
No, both sides. I know this is a little bit offset. When I drove my pilot hole started, it skipped over. I says, I'm going to come in here and have this guy do it. I don't want to bother you, but...
Yeah, I got to check to see if the holes are in line.
If it's even any good, yeah. Well, whatever you can do for me, man, I really do appreciate it. And, you have my number? You need it, or...?
I got your number.
Okay. Like I said, I had to reset my phone there, so... Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, what he said? Somebody died in the bathroom or something?
Yeah, I don't know. Last Friday.
Yeah, I'm really sorry.
I just started working there. He's been here probably 3 months. He quit Amgen because they wanted him to get the COVID shot, and he didn't want it.
Yeah.
So he quit there. He was there for like fucking 17 years. And they told him, you either get the COVID shot or you have to quit. So he quit and come over here.
Well.
And this shit happened.
Yeah.
I guess he had they had a brain aneurysm. He fell out of the bathroom and he was fucking broke.
Yeah, you know what? My mother's father died the same way. He got in the middle of the night, thought he had to take a dump, and he died on the toilet. I guess that's common, right? I didn't realize.
Maybe
same thing, brain.
Pushing.
Yeah, brain aneurysm.
On your fucking,
yep.
On the artery that's weak, you know?
I don't know what it is, but. Well, if you need any help over here, man, you would put a bug in their ear for me. Yeah. How you doing?
Alright. I mean, they need a guy, I don't know if you ever ran a CNC. You probably never ran a CNC before.
Like XYZ kind of stuff?
Yeah, one of these, you know, CNCs.
No, I don't know that much about them. I've run a screw machine. I've done some, you know, point work with the lathes and stuff. But as far as like sitting there and actually programming something, I'd be.
No, it wouldn't be programming.
Just sit and watch. Yeah. So cool, man. Well, hey, thank you. Yeah.
Talk to you later.
Yeah. Have a great day. Yeah, you too, guys. Setup, so I've just been running a single brake. Not the wisest idea, but I might have to screw the wheel up a little bit too. Good grief, everything at once.